This is the Ford re-release from AMT, converted into a fuel truck. It actually started out as the snowplow, and that's what the snowplow is supposed to look like. And then I like to modify the chassis. That's another option right there. I like to modify the chassis. You got options. Made this truck here, made this one into a stake bed. And then I made this one here a tow truck with the flashing lights. See if I can. There we go. Put the flashing lights on it. Made this one into a fuel truck. Take that fuel in the car right there. The tank is made from parts from Plastruct. You can buy it's a cylinder with end caps. This is a pipe right here, much a smaller diameter one. You can also buy the end caps to go on the end of it. You can have them circular like that. These are for a smaller diameter tube, but this is Plastruct products, or the larger ones. Yes, and yes, I like Caterpillar yellow, the industrial color. And then the stickers added on. So get the car out of the way. And that's just a cord on the back there that wound it up when you use the dual tires. Added on he got these out of a safety book. So there you go. That's a fuel truck.